Now in tonight's video, I'm here to present you 6 stocks that I think you should consider. Now on the list here we have LBRT, Adobe, First Solar, Norwegian Cruise, Canopy Growth, and Palantir Tech. Now if I scroll over to the industry here, the one thing I do like about this list, it is very diverse. We've got everything from petroleum to leisure, healthcare, and software. So this is a way to de-risk your assets by diversifying in different industries. Now let me scroll back over here. Now with these 6 stocks, before we jump right into the software, I am going to go over some headlines that I think could potentially push some of these stocks even higher. Now the main reason why I like Palantir, and that has to do with the article that I'm bringing to your attention, is the amount of government contracts they have. Now Palantir just announced another contract with Babcock International, an aerospace and defense company for the UK. This is only going to solidify their space when it comes to defense contracts worldwide. Now, the next article I'm bringing to your attention has to do with Liberty. Now, Liberty is a petroleum field service company providing frac technology. As most people know that watch this channel, I have been bullish on oil for quite some time, and I really like this company and the partnership that it just announced with Natron Energy. Now, Natron Energy is a global leader in sodium-ion batteries, so let's take a look at this article and see how that partnership will solidify potential profit for us in the future. Now, one thing I did want to note from this article is Natron sodium-ion batteries are expected to be used to maximize uptime and optimize generator utilization to ensure the lowest possible emissions footprint on-site power generation. Now, in addition, Natron is a world leader in sodium-ion batteries, as I just stated. Now, if you're not familiar here, Natron leverages existing lithium-ion manufacturing facilities for production, and its supply chain requires zero lithium, cobalt, copper, nickel, or other minerals that are difficult to source. So I think this partnership will definitely be good for both companies. In addition, I think there is potential for profit going into the future. Now, the next news article does have to do with the AI hype, and that's going to be Adobe's generative AI product, Firefly. It was just released this past Wednesday. Now, a couple things I do like about this is that you can actually utilize this in over 100 languages. In addition, it is safe for commercial use. Now, not only did they release this product, but they're expecting to make big revenue off this launch. Now, if we scroll down here, this statement was made by the company. The price increases with Adobe's existing portfolio alone implies north of $600 million in incremental revenue from AI capabilities over the next year. Now, a lot of companies are struggling to make money off of AI this early into the game. However, Adobe looks like it's on point with this, and that's why I'm currently bullish on this position. Now that we went through the news, let's go through the data. We're going to utilize the VectorVest 7 system to see what it's telling us about each of these positions. Now on the list, again, I have 6 here. So we're going to start with Liberty at the top. Right now, you see it trading at $8.25. Greatly undervalued right now. That's one thing I really like about this company. We value it at almost $27. Now it's RV. Again, that looks at long-term price appreciation potential, and it is a fundamental indicator. It is above 1 right now at 1.51, showing great long-term price appreciation potential. Now, RS relative safety, this is an indicator of risk. It is also a fundamental indicator looking at the consistency of the company's financials. Now, coming in at 0.8, this is a little bit of a riskier position, so please take note of that. Next, we have RT relative timing, just looks at the magnitude of the short-term price trend. Above 1, that short-term price trend is up. Below 1, this trend is down. Now, this does have the highest rating on the list at 1.74. Now, its overall VST rating, again, that's overall value, safety, and timing, comes in at the highest in the list at 1.42. Now, it does have a buy rating, and another thing that I really like about this company is its ability to grow its earnings. With the GRT at 35%, this company has solidified the top spot. Now, next in the list, we do have Adobe here. This is the AI play, coming in at $551. It is overvalued right now. Most AI stocks tend to be overvalued at this time. We currently value at $400. Now it's RV and RS. The fundamentals are sound in this company, and it is currently in an uptrend. Now we do have the buy rating, and the GRT, or the growth rate in earnings, is currently positive. Now next on the list, we do have First Solar here, giving us some exposure to clean energy. It does have a positive update today, up 2%, trading at $174. It is undervalued at $219. Fundamentally sound with the RV and RS above 1. However, right now with the short-term price trend currently down at 0.69, it does have the hold rating. Now this company is trading at a bargain right now, And if we look at its GRT, or its growth rate and earnings, still positive and is still strong at 35%. Next up, we do have Norwegian Cruise Line trading at $17. It's up 4% today, big mover today. We currently valued at $26. Fundamentally sound with an RV above 1. However, there is some risk there with a relative safety rating at 0.84 and a downtrend at 0.69. We do have the sell rating on this, so this I would put more in your shopping list, not necessarily the time to pull the trigger, but there is potential for profits going forward. Now, it does have the highest GRT in the list at 43%. That's one of the reasons why I put in this list, is because it is trading at a discount right now and it is fundamentally strong. Now next we do have Canopy Growth, or CGC. Now the medical marijuana space has been hot right now. That momentum continuing into today. This position is up 13%, trading at $1.32. It is greatly overvalued right now at just 51 cents to our metrics. Now it's RV and RS. This is more speculative play with the fundamentals both coming in below 1 at 0.5s. Now next we do have the RT. So this is more of a momentum play, but it is speculative in nature with the RT above 1 right now at 1.17. Now it does have the hold rating, and the GRT is actually the smallest in the list at just 4%. Now the last item on the list here is Palantir Tech, or PLTR. It's currently trading at $15.64. It is positive today, which I do like that. We only valued at $3.42. This is an AI play, and again, I said that space is pretty overvalued right now. However, there's still a lot of potential with this company due to its government contracts. Now its RV and RS do come in below 1 right now, so it's not necessarily fundamentally sound. Even the RT is below 1 right now at 0.81, giving it the hold rating. However, I do like its ability to grow its earnings at an astonishing 22%. Now in tonight's video, I did just want to give you a diverse group of stocks to look at when potentially adding new positions to your portfolio. We were able to jump into some of the news headlines surrounding some of these positions, showing you why I'm currently bullish on some of them. In addition, we utilized the VectorVest 7 software to see how they stack up against each other. Now, if you like what you saw this evening, don't forget the like button and subscribe to our channel. Good night.
Hey VV Nation, one of the most important books that I've ever read in regards to the stock market was written by our founder, Dr. Bart DeLito, the founder of VectorVest. The name of the book is called Stock Strategies and Common Sense. It will give you everything that you need to know about how the market works, the cycles, how to value stocks, and it's very well presented so that you can better understand and get a better understanding of how the market works. Folks, you simply need to go to www.vectorvest.com/YT book to get your free edition of Stock Strategies and Common Sense. Folks, you want to do that right now.
Yeah.